Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with a new lesson from our grammar section. The name of the lesson is Describing Your Loved Ones. So in our earlier videos we have already learned about the topic describing words. So can you just remember what is describing words? Describing words are the words that are used by us to tell about the persons, about the places, about animals, birds and various objects. So also the describing words tell us about the colors, size, shape. Yes, so all the words which are used by us to give us more information about the places, persons, animals, birds, objects are called as describing words. And describing your loved ones. So who are the loved ones? Yes, the people who are very near to us are called as our loved ones. Like our parents, our brothers and sisters, our grandparents, our friends. We love them, isn't it? And they are very close to us. They are very near to us. We like to be with them. So today we are going to learn about the words which are used to describe all our loved ones. So here you can see on the board I have written few words. I will read out these words to you. So the first word is T-A-L-L, tall. The next is beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. The next word is good, G-O-O-D, good. The next is angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. The next is short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Here you can see happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Next is sad, S-A-D, sad. The next is black, B-L-A-C-K, black. The next word is big, B-I-G, big. The next word is L-O-N-G, long. So on the board I have written only few describing words which are used to describe our loved ones. So suppose you are describing your mother. So what do you say? My mother is very beautiful, isn't it? So the word beautiful here is describing. It is telling about your mother, and so it is a describing word. You can say my mother prepares good food. So the word good is describing the food that is prepared by your mother. So the word good is a describing word. You may say my mother is very tall. So the word tall is telling about the height of your mother. So the word tall is a describing word. You may say my mother has big eyes. So the word big is describing the eyes of your mother, and so the word big is a describing word. Also you may say my mother has long hair. So the word long is describing the hair of your mother, and so this word long is a describing word. Now I will show you one more paragraph and let us find out the describing words in that paragraph. Okay.
So students, now look at this page. This page belongs to your grammar book, the page number 26. So here you can see a paragraph. So it says that Renu describes her teacher. So now let us see how does Renu describe or tell us about her teacher. Our teacher are also our loved ones because they teach us. They are very close to us and we also consider them as our friends. So now I will read out this paragraph to you. So the paragraph goes like this. My teacher is tall, and beautiful. So, what is Renu saying? Renu is saying that her teacher is tall. It means the word tall is telling about the height of Renu's teacher. So also the word beautiful is describing, it's telling us about Renu's teacher. So the words tall and beautiful both are describing words. Now look at the next sentence. She has big eyes and black hair. So what does Renu say? Renu says that the eyes of her teacher are big and the teacher's hair are black. So the words big and black, they are describing the eyes and the hair of the teacher. So the words big and black are describing words. The next sentence is she has a small nose. So the word small is describing the nose, and that is why the word small is a describing word. Next is she likes to clip two flowers in her bun. So the teacher likes to put or clip two flowers. So the word two is telling us about the number of flowers the teacher puts in her bun. So the word two is a describing word. And next Renu says she is a good teacher. So Renu is telling about her teacher. How is the teacher? The teacher is good. So the word good is a describing word. And finally Renu says she loves children. So the teacher loves all the children. So this was the description given by Renu about her teacher, and we did see that there are various describing words in this small paragraph. So you have to solve the exercise that is given in the grammar book. You have to find out the describing words as well as the naming words, which are to be found out on page number 27 of your grammar book.